Y'all picked up these Marvel Spider-Man toy capsules around Halloween time, and they have just been in my stash, so I thought we could open up a few today. I'm not sure what are in these capsules, but we'll find out together. Let's do 3 today. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Let's try you first. Oh, you're kind of heavy. Let's see what's in here. What in the world? Looks like a Spider-Man eraser. A Spider-Man pin. With great power comes great responsibility. And then we've got, looks like a little magnet, the Daily Bugle Friendly Neighborhood Spider-Man. And here's what we found in our toy capsules today, and I will open up 3 more tomorrow.